Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are a powerhouse of nutrition packed into a tiny shell. These small seeds are not only delicious, but also offer a wide range of health benefits that can improve your overall well-being. One of the most impressive benefits of pumpkin seeds is their high nutrient content. They are rich in magnesium, iron, zinc, and protein, making them a great addition to any diet. Magnesium is essential for bone health, muscle function, and energy production, while iron is important for red blood cell formation and oxygen transport. Zinc plays a crucial role in immune function and wound healing, and protein is necessary for muscle growth and repair. In addition to their nutrient content, pumpkin seeds are also a good source of antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Pumpkin seeds contain a variety of antioxidants, including vitamin E, carotenoids, and phenolic compounds, all of which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Another benefit of pumpkin seeds is their potential to improve heart health. They are high in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which have been shown to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Additionally, pumpkin seeds contain phytosterols, plant compounds that can help lower LDL cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Pumpkin seeds are also a great source of fiber, which is important for digestive health. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and promote a healthy gut microbiome. Eating a diet high in fiber has been linked to a reduced risk of developing chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. One of the lesser-known benefits of pumpkin seeds is their potential to improve sleep. They are a good source of tryptophan, an amino acid that the body converts into serotonin and then melatonin, two hormones that regulate sleep. Eating pumpkin seeds before bed may help improve sleep quality and duration, making them a great bedtime snack option. In addition to their health benefits, pumpkin seeds are also incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. You can eat them raw, roasted, or toasted, and they can be added to salads, soups, smoothies, or baked goods for a nutritious boost. You can also make pumpkin seed butter or pumpkin seed milk as a dairy-free alternative to traditional spreads and beverages. Overall, pumpkin seeds are a nutrient-dense food that offers a wide range of health benefits. Whether you are looking to improve your heart health, boost your immune system, or get a better night's sleep, adding pumpkin seeds to your diet is a simple and delicious way to support your overall well-being. So next time you carve a pumpkin, don't throw away the seeds. Roast them up and enjoy all the amazing benefits they have to offer.